In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and get this app from this developer, Flare2. When your app is ready, open it. From it, you can learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!